Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. What better way to start off day 3 by saying thank you to Jake for letting me use his laptop. I have been working really hard on making these vlogs, so I just want to give a big shout out to the guy who's let me use the laptop. So we have Sleeping Beauty here. I'm not going to tell him I recorded that. I'm going to see if he watches the vlog or if someone else watches it and then tells him.
Don't worry, you can help look for the beach too, Don. With your GoPro. Stop. I swear to God, by the end of this vacation, that's either going to be broke or in the pool.
Start the day off right.
I'm not looking up.
Huh?
I'm not looking up.
It's fine, you don't have to. I just need you to answer me a question and then Aaron will get to answer right after. What's better, me looking down at my phone and not talking last year, or me constantly talking and never shutting the fuck up this year?
You screaming when falling on a 5-story building.
Well, we're only 4 up at the moment.
5.
Aaron, would you rather me be quiet and constantly staring at my phone or doing what I'm doing now? Head nod. For my own. What's up, Wasp?
Walk. Just, oh my God.
It's gone now. You scared it away, Jake. You're my hero. I think one of these days I'm gonna actually drop my GoPro from this level and see if it lands.
Why would you do that?
Because you can't do the same thing every day like this. Got it. What a good transition. Turns out the body that we keep talking about dumping is actually going to be my body.
Why?
Are you dead?
Yep. Probably.
What'd you do again, Jake?
Shut the fuck up, you fat ass.
What are you wearing there?
Get away from me.
Is that a lack of swim trunks?
Get away from me.
We drove an hour to the beach and you forgot your swim trunks, you said?
Are you done?
Zoinks. This is happiness.
This is happiness, really?
Yes, this is happiness. And it's hot. Why is it so hot, Jake? I just need an explanation. Yes. Yeah, that would make sense that it's 100 degrees right now.
Yeah.
Go anyways. Who cares?
How long are we gonna be here for?
I don't know. I wanted to be here all day, but I don't know. There's so many people, I don't know if that drone usage is going to be a thing today or not. But
Probably not.
let's be on the beach for a while, then we'll go get food, and then we'll come back to the beach for a bit and we'll go home. Sound good? I don't know.
I don't know how I'm going to be here. If we're going to stay for a while and you want to go in right now, I'll go in the water for a little bit.
Let's go. Hot. Oh my god, it's so hot. How are you not freaking out at the moment, Jake? It's burning. Ow.
Are you going to be alright?
It's hot. It was hot. Now it's...
Yeah, the water? Oh, the beach.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna pee in this ocean. There's what?
There's the shorts getting wet.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh, mamma mia. Mamma mia, Jake.
I really hope you step on a fucking jellyfish.
Please
that
don't
would
do
make
that.
my... That would make my night. It's gonna be okay.
It touched my balls. The cold water touched my balls. See, we good. Right? Okay.
I wish I brought my swimsuit. I'd be all the way out there right now.
Just do it. Who's stopping you, Jake? Except this jellyfish. I might step on here in a second.
Oh,
Ignore my random noises.
fucking cool.
Alright, I'm diving into this one. I'm diving. It's oh shit. Whoa, look, there's a dolphin going by. I'm gonna put my GoPro on its head. Look, it's like it's
My mom, my dad, and then the one fucking year, there was a big wave, and I dove into it, and there's a bunch of fall-up waves too, and I started tumbling all over the place, and my dad fucking grabbed me by my arm and just ripped me out of the water. And this is like when I was a kid, so he was literally holding me up like this, and I was just dangling from my arm.
You know what? Not making up like some fake hero story or something like that, but I think my mom actually got like sucked in by like some type of current and she lost her balance, and I actually like got her and pulled her to shore. I need to ask her about that. But like when you were talking about that, it reminded me of that. Oh wait, here, a transition. Ooh, I was under there for a while. Hahaha. Why you do this? Ah, Sabenya. Oh, how can we come out here and not say this? Ocean man, take me by the hand.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me through the land.
I don't know how the rest of it goes.
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, follow to the corner of the globe.
Alright, we're ready to get food if you want to get food, if not.
I think I'm feeling the Gouda burger. It sounds really good.
Now you're flying because you're recording. Don?
Yes, Jake.
No way.
Wait, I should do a transition. This is a cake. I should just like smash it into it. Ooh, souvenir to take home. It's a souvenir to take home with me. Look, there's one for you, Jake. Hey, like for real though, can we like chill here for a little bit? If you guys are cool with chilling here for a bit, I'm gonna run over to the pier. Is that okay?
What are you guys gonna do a drone thing?
No, I'm just gonna run over with my GoPro because I love this weather. I love storms. You'll be here? Yes, no, maybe so?
What the fuck do you want from me?
Do you want? Am I okay to go, or do you want to go home?
Go, hurry up.
Okay, that's all I wanted to know. When everyone else runs away, I go towards it. Oh shit. Take a bad situation and turn it into something good. Want to fly my drone today? But instead I got these cool lightning shots in the ocean and nobody's around and it's perfect. But my friends are waiting in the car, so I'm gonna go back to the car now. Jason was yelling at me to use a stabilizer, so he didn't know I had one, so now I'm using my stabilizer. Look, see, it holds the camera still and I can move it like this all I want. It's just that this has to be charged all the time.
Why did he tell you that?
Because he's like, your videos are shaky as shit.
Okay, well, probably should have told you that, because now I have to deal with your ass recording even more.
Oh shit, you didn't react. I don't know what to do about this. I'm gonna go say hi to Aaron now. Hi Aaron, I'm using my stabilizer. Look, it keeps it steady. Alright, good talk. Things are lit. I hate myself.